Hello everyone, this is Expo and I'm back with another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to provide you another non-root gaming module for Qt app, but you can also flash using Prevent app. As this module is really made with VIP script file, and this module is able to fix your gaming and the FPS drop issues. This module is a universal module, so you can use this in any Android and any games online or offline. So guys, let me tell you what are the main features of this module. As this module contains performance tweaks, CPU and the GPU boost tweaks, rendering tweaks, hardware tweaks, MSA tweaks, FPS stabilizer tweaks, and many more which are added in this module. So if you are also searching for best module for your game, then this one is for you. Just download the module from the link and follow my steps to flash this module. Guys, the flashing process is really easy if you are my regular viewers. However, if you are new in my channel, don't worry, I'll show you how you can flash this module in your device in easiest way. But you have to watch full video without a skip. But guys, before flashing this module, make sure to like, share and subscribe to get more amazing videos for your Android devices. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video.
to